Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Notta for AI transcription and automations easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with subscribing to Notta for AI transcription and automations, first, open your web browser. Type in the Notta website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on this button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password for your account security. After filling in your details, click on the Sign Up or Register button. You may receive a confirmation email after registration. Check your inbox for this email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Notta website. Log in using the email and password you just created. Now that you are logged in, explore the available subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the Select Plan or similar button next to your chosen option. You will be redirected to the payment page. Fill in your payment information as required. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy. Once everything is in order, click on the Confirm Payment button. Your subscription will be processed shortly. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation message. Now you can start using Notta for AI transcription and automations. Explore the features available to maximize your experience. If needed, refer to the support section for any questions or guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.